Hey guys, so I am at my house today. I'm sorry if it's a little bit echoey. I've been actually living at my parents' house lately just because we just got all of our floors done, and because the floors were all ripped up and there were like nails poking out everywhere, I couldn't have the dog here or anything. Like, people were in and out all the time, so it was just kind of a lot. So I've actually been staying at our parents' house. But the floors are done and they look stunning. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. And then we have a lot going on this week. We're gonna get all the trim done. We're gonna get a lot of painting done hopefully as well. But I'm just gonna take you guys around and kind of show you kind of the process of what's going on and what we have left to do. And I'll show you guys kind of like some inspiration pics maybe of things that I'm wanting to do. But I've been promising a house update for so long, and I did share with you guys the kitchen update if you guys didn't see that already, so check that out. But I'll take you guys around and at least show you what's going on. And by the way, I don't think I've ever filmed a video without makeup on, so that's why I just have my hat on. It's just one of those days where I didn't get ready, but I'm sure you guys don't really care. So if I can find any before pictures, I'll also insert those. And I do have my washer on, so if you guys can hear that, that's what that is. We painted our door black. I think it looks really, really good. And especially once we have like all of our trim up and everything, I think everything's just gonna really come together. So I really like the black door now. It was just like white before. Another huge update that we did was painting this staircase. I think it looks amazing now. I love it. We are going to be changing out the carpet upstairs and on the stairs soon, but we just want to get the main level done right now. We're not in a huge rush to do upstairs yet. But yeah, so these are what, oh, Michigan lumber's here. Okay, I'm back. All of this lumber literally just got delivered to our house, so I had to stop recording. So yeah, we have all this lumber in here now and all of this lumber in here. So my dad and I, we actually were at Menards earlier today. We were crazy. We were like gonna load up all this lumber in his truck so we could like start putting on all the trim tomorrow and everything, but we ended up just being like, okay, we're in way too much over our head. So we ended up just ordering it from a lumber place and they just delivered it here, so that was way easier. So this is gonna be all of our trim all throughout this room, actually all throughout this whole entire main level, and like for all the windows and everything. It's gonna look so good. So I'm just getting so excited. So yeah, I think I was just talking about the stairs. If I have a picture of what they looked like before, I will insert that. But I think it just looks way better. We painted the railing black and then everything else white. So I think that looks really nice. And then all of our walls are going to be painted white as well. Well, it's kind of like a white with a hint of gray, I believe. The color is called Decorator's White from Benjamin Moore. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing through the whole house. This room, this is our dining room. I've really debated what to do with this room. I've debated possibly painting this room really dark, but I just don't know. So I think I might just leave it white for now, and then if I change my mind. I also have a table picked out from West Elm, and I totally missed a 30% off sale on it, which I'm really bummed about. So I'm kind of waiting for it to go on sale again. But I'll insert a picture of the table that I want to put in here, and then I just want to do some like plain chairs, nothing crazy. But I think this room's really gonna pop once I get a new light in here, and then we have like the really big trim around all the windows. I think it's gonna look really, really nice. And then this is the kitchen. We have no doors on any of these closets right now. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. Everything is a complete disaster. But if you guys want to see like the full update on this kitchen, where we started, how far we've come, all that, I'm gonna have my kitchen remodel video linked for you guys, so if you want to check it out. Our countertops, I'm dying to have a countertop. Our countertops are going to be delivered next week. And this is the countertop. I think I talked about it in the video, but it's so pretty. This is quartz and the brand is Cambria. So I love this. And I ended up going with gray, like with kind of like this marbling look, just because I thought we needed a little bit of contrast in here, just because everything is white. Also, for like the knobs and everything, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. A lot of you were saying black, but I'm kind of wanting to do like a brass or something. Nothing big, nothing too crazy. I'll maybe insert some pics of some things that I like for now, but yeah, I'm not totally sure. We still have to get like all of our crown molding and some other trim up around this too. But yeah, how good do the floors look? Like, I haven't even mentioned that yet. This was all carpet before. Like, these floors look insane. I'm obsessed with it. So I believe I have a clip of what all of this looked like before. I'm gonna insert that now. But yeah, it's just crazy now seeing all of this just looks so great now. And for those of you that have asked about what kind of flooring this is, screenshot this or take a picture of this, whatever. This is the exact name of this floor. So this floor is a waterproof, scratch resistant floor. When people tell you a floor is water resistant, that is not the same as waterproof. So this is completely waterproof. It's gonna be great for our dog, scratch resistant with the dog, especially because we do have this sliding door, and this is where our dog Dude always goes outside. Is right here. And before, when we had the wood floor right here, like there were just like so many watermarks. There was like just a lot of water damage. There was water damage already like before we moved to the house, but it was just getting worse. So we really wanted the waterproof flooring. We have the wood floor left underneath, so in the future, if we ever sell this house, we can always tell the next homeowners like there is real wood underneath these floors, if that's really important to them. But we heard really great things about these floors. I love like how wide the planks are, and they actually have like a little bit of like a texture to them. You guys probably won't be able to see that, but they have like some texture to them, so they're not like super slippery or anything. And the placement that they did with like all the planks are really good too. They don't have like the exact same ones put like right next to each other or anything, which I think is really good. And in Michigan here, it is 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark, so I had to try and turn on that light. So the lighting is starting to get pretty bad. But an update on, this is our family room, so as you're coming from like the kitchen, this is our family room. I'm so embarrassed, like everything is such a mess, but you guys get it. We're remodeling. Like everything's not gonna look good right now. But yeah, so this is our family room. I'm already loving it, just like with this wood floor. I feel like it even like opens it all up a little bit more. Joshua ended up taking off all the tile. He knocked all of this off. I have a before of everything, so I'll insert a clip of that. But yeah, so this is what this is looking like right now. So the plan is that we are going to do bookshelves on either side. The TV is going to be mounted above the fireplace, and then I've been kind of hung up on what to do for tile on this fireplace for a really long time. I didn't really want to do like the white marble. I don't know why I didn't want to do marble. I think just because I've seen it so much now, I just kind of wanted to do something even more simple. And I was kind of thinking just doing all black. And I thought just because everything is white in here too, it might be nice to have something to break it up. I found this online. Oh, it's like super dusty now because the flooring people had been here. But let me see if I can like wipe this off. This is like a chevron black that I found, which I thought was really cool. and just do like black grout behind it. But then I was thinking like maybe even this is too busy. So then I ended up going to, where did we end up going to? Like a granite place. And I asked them about just doing like a soapstone. Anyway, they didn't have a ton in stock, so they were showing me some other options. And there was this granite that looks exactly like soapstone. Like it's very matte looking and it's just black, and it has maybe tiny, like just a slight veining in it, but not much. So I'm thinking about doing that around the fireplace, and I think that would look really nice, especially because everything around it is going to be white. So I just think it would kind of help break things up a little bit. Also, for this window, we're gonna like trim this out really big here, and I think it's gonna look really cool. But anyway, I wanna get some opinions about furniture. We have no furniture for this house because our other house was so small. So we had like all like really small IKEA furniture, and we wanna get some new stuff. Probably not like right away, but we're going to get it really soon. Like the table, I wanna get that ordered probably as soon as like West Elm is doing another sale or something. But yeah, this couch has got to go. It's probably gonna go in the basement or something. But yeah, I'm not sure of like the setup I want to do in here. I'm not sure if we should just do a really big like sectional and make it really comfy, since the TV is gonna be above the fireplace. My mom had even brought up like doing a couch over there and maybe a couch in front of this window. That way it would like kind of keep it a little more open. So I'm thinking about doing that too, but let me know what you guys think if you guys have any ideas for me. Okay, another quick update. Sorry, the washer's on. This bathroom, we've really got to do something about this. Like, I don't know. I have no idea what I want to do with this yet. Like, it's hard because the whole house is going to be white, so I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different with this bathroom. I don't know if I want to do like wallpaper, like just a different color, or some more trim, like lots of trim on the wall, or I just don't know. I just kind of wanted it to be different than the rest of the house, but I don't know what I want to do yet. So if you guys have any comments for that, let me know. Oh yeah, and if you guys were kind of wondering what the trim looked like before, if I have a clip, I'll insert that. I'm not sure, but if not, it was just kind of like that look. Or actually, wait, I have a piece of trim right here that hasn't been taken off. It all just kind of looked like this. Kind of like your typical trim, which I don't think anything is really wrong with it. Pretty much, I originally just wanted to change like the base trim, but it got out of control, and now we have all this. All right, so I think that is everything that I had to share with you guys right now. I'm going to have a lot more updates soon. I'll probably film maybe the process of the trim and all that, but this is what's going on so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any tips, any suggestions, like decorating furniture, stuff like that, leave it down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.